Huawei is struggling hard after its US ban, but it has not stopped launching its new innovative smartphones. In this video, we are going to talk about the upcoming Huawei Mate 50 series, in which the Huawei Mate 50 Pro will feature a huge 7000 mAh of battery with a 65W fast charging support. And this is the first company to come with such a huge battery with such a fast charging technology. The smartphone will come with a 5G support, 12GB of RAM, 512GB of ROM and 6.8-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen display that will give you immersive display experience. Not only that, it will come with a quad-rear camera and the dual front cameras powered by Silicon Kirin 9000 chipset, and as I said before, it is coming with a humongous 7000 mAh of battery. To talk about its camera, which is again a very attractive feature of the smartphone, it will come with a quad rear camera setup at the back comprising of 64MP main lens plus 12MP telephoto lens plus 12MP ultra wide sensor and a 0.4MP depth sensor. And this camera will be able to shoot 8K videos. As the main selling point of this smartphone will be its huge 7000 mAh of battery that is going to come with a 65W super fast charging system. So the expected date of launch of this smartphone is October 2021. So these are all the things we know so far about the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.